left the lowlands far below, when we spent the spring on the western shore, as happy as anyone ever before. And the winter that found us hunkered down in the small stone cottage in the island town, for months of the blessed absence of light, when we never left each other's sight. I can taste the salt, I can smell the peat, with you and the whiskey so bitter and sweet. I remember the season in Glasgow town, with our snug little attic and the pub right round, as our friends came by for a sing or a talk, and our vicious fight on that cold dawn walk. I remember the castle where we vowed to meet, and the fog rolled in on Prince's Street, when all the town was a cold grey stone, as I turned up my collar and I sat there